Hello, my name is Claudia. I'm 12 years old and I go to school at FDAC Anglès. The Park of Sant Salvador is in Santa Coloma de Farners. It's a leisure park for children of all ages. In the park there is a very long river with a small waterfall. Every summer I go and I stand underneath the waterfall and let the water fall down onto me, giving me a gentle massage. There are some picnic tables where you can have picnics. Additionally, there is a path with grass, so that if you want to sit on the ground while you eat, you can. In the park, there are two very important fountains, the Fountain of Sant Salvador and the fountain called Font-Picant. The Fountain of Sant Salvador, it was used in the 18th century, but it was opened to the public in 1945. In 1885, there was a small chapel, and it was demolished during the Civil War. The Fountain of Sant Salvador originated when he put his hand on the stone to support himself, and in that spot came out a jet of water, and that quenched Sandalmouth thirst. As you can see, this is a very fascinating place, and this is why I would recommend the Park of Sant Salvador. And if you go in the summer one day to swimming in the river, you will have a great day. Thank you for your attention.